Able to see me because the sun is not in my direction. Because you know how dark I am, but that's beside the point. Okay, this is what it looks like now. See how the sidewalk is coated with snow? And it's still coming down. And there's a storm tonight. Just coated. Coated. I love New York City. Well, you know one thing. I'll never be lost. No, that was racist. Look at my face. I'll become the Black Santa. Alright then. I'll see you guys tonight. Oh, by the way, I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm going to show you what it really looks like. Now I'm going to see you tonight because I'm going to get the butt of the storm because I want to see what a blizzard looks like. This is Chase Martingale with SHLM TV for the blizzard of 2015. I'm here in New York City.